this Gemini API, this is also a huge, large learning model trained by the Google, Google company. So with the help of this Gemini API, so we can do lots of things. Currently right now we are, if you are think about inside the creator, we there is a no intelligence recommendations, there is a limited experience with the user face. And if you are not using the AI capabilities in your businesses, you are still stuck on what you in your 2020s. So currently, right now, like most of that 30%, like most of the people, most of the businesses are adapt this AI systems, and it's increased the more productivities. So and currently right now most businesses are the startups, and the most company organization founders are going to be the AI things for the more productive. So that is why we are must use this technology, and that's webinar is basically helping you to to finding out those things. So how can we, as a developer, as a founder, or as a startup owner, how we can be you know use this technology and making saving out lots of time, because the time is a money for us. So like if you are a founder, and if you are the person who are currently not using this AI capabilities in your day-to-day life or in your day-to-day process, you are out of out of the system, out of the scope. So like 83% of company plan to to going to implement this AI ecosystem inside in his applications. So currently right now 73% of the market is adopt this like AI ecosystem or like that. Or if you are if like most of the competitor of your organization, of your client organizations, is basically adapt these AI solutions. So if you are integrated with the Gemini API inside the Zoho apps, and why we are mostly talking about the Gemini API, because reason is currently right now the Zoho have already launched the agentic AI, Zia agentic AI. So it's inside the beta version, or it's only for the particular users. Currently right now it's not publicly uh, uh, launch. So that's why we are currently using the Gemini API to fill this gap. So you can use this Gemini APIs inside your Zoho CRM, Zoho Books, and the other application which is supported the the Deluge. I will be going to be a next slides. So in the help of this Gemini API, you can do a lots of things. Like if you are, suppose if you are working inside the Zoho Books, or the Zoho Creator, or the Zoho CRM. So inside the Zoho Books or Zoho CRM, you are creating some of the products. So currently right now you don't have any product image. So what you do, the whenever you are creating the product, based on the product description, it will be automatically generate the product image, and automatically associated this product image inside the product section. Suppose if you are doing this inside the CRM, that is also capable to do this. If you are doing this inside the Zoho Creator, it will be also capable to do this. And if inside the Zoho Inventory or the Zoho Books, you can also do this, the same things. So based on the every creation, every trigger flow, it will be automatically the generating image and associated with these. There is a multiple use cases with the help of the this Gemini API. You can do lots of things. Suppose if you are doing the most complex calculations, you can also achieve these things with the help of prompts. And if you are good in the prompt engineering, if you are good into the input the best prompt, you can do everything with the help of this AI, this Gemini AI. You can create a content with this. with the help of Gemini AI. You can content the image with this with the help of Gemini API, and you can content also blogs with for your websites, for your Instagram also. You create some of the descriptions, contents, or like that with the help of these things. I will be also share the demo how can you do these things, and share the code also inside this webinar. So there is also a document analyzing. If you want to be, if you have a sum of invoice, or if you have some of the quotations, and you can extract some of the data. Suppose if you have some of the data, you can extract the sum of the particular fields, and based on the particular field, you can do calculations, or you can perform some of the actions, and based on these things, based on your requirement, you can do everything with the help of Gemini API. So because this is a natural, because this is a large learning model, you can also ask some of the questions. How many leads today I created? How many how many for my salesperson? How many follow-ups of my salesperson do? Or some of the you can also ask some of the uh, like. Do you invoice or like that? So every answer will be asked to your Gemini APIs. So why we are using this AI powered? Because this is a light, faster speed, giving you enterprise security, and this system is basically using by globally, and because this is created by the Google, so that is also a big part. It's also creating for you a code, text, and image, or everything. So this is the advantage of using Deluge plus AI things. The reason is you can do more complex things, and you cannot use a AI some of the framework or like that, because currently right now if you are creating some of AI things like that, you can learn whole the things like neural schema, everything, TensorFlow or Python concept, everything. But in this thing, in this integration with the Deluge or AI, you can't be do any complex things inside there. They just you can integrate it with the help of a invoice URL or like that, or it will be a real time giving you answers or like everything. And this API is also security friendly. I will be share my screen and going to be a live demo how this is will be happen to inside your ecosystem. So I will be share my screen, and if you want to be asked some questions or like that, if you I will be openly to just currently right now we are using free.
Hello.
Hello.
I have a question, Vivek. Are you open for questions now, or should I hold for later?
Yeah, definitely, definitely.
So should I ask meaning as to that is something that even Zia LLM does. So why we would require Gemini for that, and also write a Deluge code which for us to do API integration and any other workflow that we want to build. Just these two questions. Thank you.
Currently, right now, the reason is why we are using the Google Gemini. The reason is like currently, right, if you are working on the creator part, so like suppose if you are working on the creator part and or the CRM part, so client, if your client have a requirement, your client is working on the any billing department or like that. So he just wanted to be, I want to be extract some of the bills, particular fields I want to be extract. So currently right now you can't be extract some of the PDF fields with the help of Zia. So what we do, we are using the Gemini or the some of the other public GPTs, which is basically extracting the same things, the same particular things based on your prompt. Suppose a client want to be only fetching the sum of the PDF bill due date. So it will be extract with the help of some this Gemini API or some of Chat GPT APIs. So we are also serve this because in the past experience we also giving the some of the client the same things or creating some of the I already mentioned these things, the image also. If you create some of the image, generate an image for your social media or for the
No, but
you
can
can
it
media.
write
So
Deluge code for us? Like if I'm working on for a client and they have given me a work and I want you to create workflows in CRM on theater. So can Gemini create the Deluge function for us that we and is it going to be correct that I can have to just copy and paste it?
no, 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 no. Suppose, like, as a developer, I will be truly say these things. You don't copy any code, if you are GPT or if you're Gemini give, as a developer, we have a responsibility to check out whole things because code have a capability to do all the things. So it is a capability to, do it, it's modify the words, modify the records or like that. So first of all, you can check out this whole codes. But currently, right now, I see and I check all the LLM model. It can't be accurately giving you a whole deluge code, which is fulfill your whole requirement. So my suggestion is you just check out and then you can currently right now the LLM model is basically in the because it's on processing phase. So um, you know um, just use those model as a tool and modify those code and just answer just used on your creator or like that.
Okay, thank you,
Yeah,
Vic. Thank you. Thank you so
yeah.
much. Just one thing, if you can share the recording of this meeting, that would be
Ye-
great at the end. Okay. Thank
yeah,
you.
I will be also uploaded on my YouTube, so you can also see this on the
Sure,
YouTube
sure.
channel.
Thank
So
you, Vic. Thank you.
I will be also go to my next slides inside the Zoho creator where I writing the whole code which is helping you to so I hope it will be visible to you.
Yes, your screen is visible.
Yeah, so there is a application that's called the Gemini AI demo. So speaking of it, so inside this Gemini AI demo, this is applications is I built for the demo reason. So first of all, I will be show you what exactly this thing is doing. So I have a some of a invoice. So I hope it is invoice will be visible to you. So I actually want to be extract the some of the data from this invoice. So based on this AI model, this AI Gemini model. So I want to be patch some of the items and those descriptions, not whole thing. I just only want to be items or description fetch inside this whole invoice. I don't want to be whole things. So what I do here, I will be going to this prompt send and I ask this AI. So I will share a invoice PDF and please extract the line items on this invoice. Just I typing these things based on your prompt because if you are good in the prompting, you are definitely do everything with this. So what I do, I will be just uploading this PDF. So after the successful uploading, what exactly do? This is behind the scene. This data will be the Gemini. This Deluge will be integrated with the Gemini, and the data will be the line item will be extracted from this uh, this this invoice. So if you see, they have a voucher design. This one, this one side like that, web designing package template, basic is 2, custom size is like that or like that, this one. If I want to be only the due date, suppose I just only want to be a due date, so what I do, I will be just inside the prompt type due date. So please extract the due date on this invoice. So what I do, I will be just clicking on the my file upload. That some of like the AI will be extract those datas and only giving me the invoice date. So help of this AI, you can do anything. You can do infinity things with the help of this AI integrations, AI Gemini AI integrations. If you want to be create some of the data or some of calculation with the help of Gemini API, that is also you can do. If you uh, if you like do any based on your use cases, you can do multiple things. If you are facing any challenges inside your businesses, with the help of this Gemini API, you can you can solve this things. So, like, suppose I also want to be extract the total balance due or like that, or if I want to be some of the reminders, and so inside the creator, that is also a reminder or schedulers you can do with this, and with the help of this Gemini API. So I am just showcase you like total balance also, or if I want to be a due date and total balance, so balance due. I'm just uploading this because I trigger the criteria here. Just uploading this Zoho invoice. And if you see this, the due date, the balance and the due date will be extract. This is basically a due date, and this is the basically a balance due. This one, if you checking, is a 662.75. So this Gemini this AI model will be do for you. I will be also share some of the next if you are want to be create some of image for your Zoho inventory or for the products, so you can also generate some of the image with the help of Gemini API. So suppose I want to be create a some of image of my product, that is called create a image, or like I just enter uh, um, a Samsung TV with uh, with I just Samsung TV or like that, and just after the clicking in this form, it will be automatically, it's called your data added successfully. If you're going to be a generate the report, if you see here, um, there is a Samsung TV image. So based on your prompts, so you can generate multiple things, and this multiple things will be first of all going inside your Zoho Work Drive. So I have creating a lots of image for this help of this Zoho creator, like Zoho creator. That one I will be share all the images, and that one also, um, and that one also. So with the help of this these applications, you can whenever you are creating any any items, any products inside your inside your Zoho ecosystem, or if you are create some of the images or with inside your Zoho ecosystem, so you can build with the help of this Gemini API. So there is a lots of you know things I have created. Yeah, so this one also. So I will be also share the code with you and how can these things I have done. So I also showcase you. So first of all, this is the Gemini image integrations. You can also create the multiple images with the help of this Gemini API. So I will be also share how can you build this whole things step by step process. So first of all, I will this is the basically a whole code of creating an image. So inside that, whenever I just prompting here and clicking on the submit button, that this data, this code will be triggered. So inside this like prompts, so what exactly is happened? So whenever the person is input the prompt, it will be going to be a content parts and image prompt. So after the going to be an image, so it will be this is the basically a JSON format. This JSON going to be inside the Gemini AI, and this is basically invoice URL. So this invoice URL will this is a URL that is a generative AI language, the Google APIs.v beta version module Gemini 2.0 flash preview, and this is my API key. So after the successfully you know uh, creating the API. So this is a basically currently right now I'm using the free plan, and you can use 100 APIs like that. So that is very I think I also some of the client I also suggest with the free plan because currently right now that's not using the lots of hits. So that's why. So in the particular 2 or 3 hits, it will be it's also helpful for my clients. I mean 15 or 16 hits per day, it's also helping. So currently right now it's a free. So data.string content application JSON, and what I do here, I am using the try. It's a error handling case. So like after the successfully getting the response, so what I do exactly, we are fetching the particular parts inside the candidates, the content part and data. It will be automatically the data coming in the base 64. What I do, I will be encrypt base of 64 into the in the file, and file if the file is not null, I I creating a sum of the file inside the Zoho work drive. Inside the Zoho work drive, I store those file, and after the storing those file, what we do, we are download this particular file with the help of resource ID, and after the successfully downloading the resource ID, will uh, I will be integrated. I will be just input the associated this image file inside the input.image. And if the particular file is not the network or the API or the something is giving me an error, automatically the error will be catch inside the this code. So whenever the API's limit is above, or it giving me errors, so it will be automatically coming inside my this cache. And if the API limit, so every issues I will be also send inside my email or info inside here. So that's why that is the reason we are using try and cache into this creator platform. So I also share the some of the other code. If you have any questions regarding that code, so you can just ask. I'm very happy to I'm very glad to be answer the all questions. If you want to be ask any questions with inside this code.
I mean, I have more questions, but not regarding the code. Something else in Creator itself. Should I go
Okay.
ahead and ask that, or should I wait
Yeah,
for
yeah,
it?
definitely. If you want to be asked some of the questions, yeah, definitely. I
Okay.
will be happy
So
to ask.
Vivek, yes, I just wanted to understand, like when we are creating application in Creator, right? So let's say we don't want to use the default interface of Zoho Creator, which is very old-fashioned, right? We want to create a UI which is very fun-loving as per
Uh-huh.
our requirement.
Uh-huh.
So so when do we use page and when do we use widget? Can you explain that?
Yeah, definitely. So like inside the like Zoho create, if your client has not, because some of the client want to be, I don't want to be this interface, and this interface are not looking perfect for me. So some of the client are say this. So what exactly we are doing? We are using the widgets. So widgets is basically helping you to giving a full-fledged UI of you can create your full-fledged UI with the help of Zoho Creator as JS SDKs or like that. So you can also integrate it inside your pages. So that is also options. You can integrate this whole UI inside your pages. So that is also helpful
No,
for
that
you.
is okay. But
And
what I'm trying to understand is how would I know when to just use pages? Because pages can also be used to create very good UIs with HTML, CSS. So when to use pages and when to use widgets. And I know widgets can be integrated in pages, but when to use just pages and when to use widgets as well.
so suppose inside the you could, yeah, you can already mention that things like we also use the pages. Inside the pages we also do the some of the HTML codes or creating some of the best UI. So but suppose if you are making some of advanced complexities, you can some of the so much advanced complexities, some of the you want to be use some of the best UI, and you can use some of the frameworks like Angular or the some of the React framework also use. So making a more best user experience and do more best user friendly experience or better UI, user interface. So that time I think you can use this widget part or widget part because widgets have capability to do everything, because you are creating another applications in the top of the Zoho app. So inside the widget, you can integrate it the third party applications also, and you can interact with the third party applications inside the widget part. So and inside the pages part, so pages give you capabilities. Just you can do just inside the pages, you can also create it some of the UI, but like if you going to be advanced version of things, so I think that is not feasible inside the pages. So that is the reason you can use the widgets part. And so that is my opinion. I think that everybody have a other opinion also. So
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Good. No, thank you. And good, nicely answered. And I've also seen that Zoho Creator also has integrates with Figma, which is a design UI builder software, right? So,
Mhm.
so when do we use Figma? Like, how does that help?
Uh, I think Prashish, we are going to be another part. Figma
Okay,
is
okay,
another.
no problem,
So
no problem.
I will be definitely answer these whole things. But currently, my audience is coming from the AI things or like that. So
Okay,
that
no
is
problem, no problem, no problem. Thank you,
so
thank you.
yeah. So this is basically the API or this PDF or like that. You can just looking about this, and I will be also share this code with you, and I also going to be a PDF part. Just- yeah. So this one, extract the PDF data from the. So this is a small code which is helping you to extracting the PDF data inside the inside your inside the creator, or if you are using this same code inside your CRM, that is also helping you to, to use those codes. So just using those code inside the your Zoho CRM workflow, or or your any Zoho books also, and the Zoho inventory also, you can use the same code. And I will be also share the step-by-step process. How can you um, uh, first of all generate the API tokens inside in the Google Gemini console. So what exactly you do? So you can go to Google Developer Console. So if you are coming here, and let me share my second screen. So I hope its second screen is visible to you. This is basically after you successfully sign in inside your Google account. So you will be see this interface. So after you going to be this interface, you just type Gemini. So inside the Gemini, you can find out this module. It's called Gemini API. After the clicking the Gemini API, so this is a product details by the Google. You can just clicking on the manage. So inside the manage, you can find out credentials. So if you like want to be create a new credential, just clicking on the credential, there is a three options: auth, credential ID, API key, or service accounts. So in my cases, I want to create it a API key. So whenever you clicking the API key, it will be automatically giving a new API key. With this help of this API key, you can use add, you can use inside your Zoho creator, and inside your Zoho integrate with the Deluge scripting language, and you can use these things. And there is also the documentation of the Google for the developers, where you can find out what exactly you will do with this Gemini AI. So there is a, if you are going to be overview, inside the overview, you can use this with the Python, JavaScript, Go language, and Java, and the rest. There is a models you can use for the image generations. You can use a single image for the help of this API, and you can also generate the multiple you know images with the help of this Gemini API. There is also a curl codes, and with the help of this curl code, you can first of all you can go to the Postman and just hit this APIs, and if it is giving you a successful answer and giving you a 200 OK response, so you can just integrate it with the same things inside your Zoho community. So you can generate the video or video graphic. So here this is a code, and this is the video graphic created by the Google. So with the help of this uh, this AI integration, you can create also videos. So you can find out everything here. So if you want to be create some music generations or musics, so you can also integrate it with the um, inside your Zoho creator. So there is a multiple options: text generation, image generations, speech generation, or like that, documentation understanding, image understanding, audio understanding. If you want to be, suppose if you are creating a audio like audio part, or like chatbot or something like that. So suppose if you are working on the sales IQ, or if you want to be uh, you know creating some of the voice assistant or like that, you can also integrate it with this Gemini systems, or After the when a person is communicated with, it's giving you a natural, speaking in the natural language or like that. So that is also feasible to do this. So everything is feasible with this AI model. So I will be also share my Postman. um, Inside the Postman, how you can yeah, I hope it will be helpful to you. It will be visible to you. So this is the first of all, for the content management. So if you want to be working on the text part, so suppose if you are working on the some text information, so you are putting inside the inside your system, and you want to be some of the output from the Gemini API. So there is a multiple use case for this. So you are extracting some of the data from the Zoho CRM. A particular record is you are giving some your Gemini API. Based on this record, you want to be find out some of you are want to be analyze this record, and you want to know how many percent of this particular record giving you deal or like that. So it will be automatically based on your response, it will be automatically giving this text. So suppose first of all, you will be going to be a postman. Inside the postman, they asking you to some of the API keys. So if you are just giving your API key, then there is a headers. Inside the header part, this is a content type is an application JSON, and after there is a content part and the text. Inside the text, you can ask the questions, what is the full form of the www or like that. So it will be giving you a, when you clicking the send button, it will be giving you a 200 okay response, and after the successfully response, you can see there is a answer which is given by the this AI model. So you can ask everything, how many leads, how many things, how many uh, this this is my CRM data, and could you please analyze this CRM data, and just based on your analysis, give me the potential chances to you this lead to be going to be my deal or like that. So based on the client requirement, you can do multiple things with the help of this Google Gemini API, or with the help of, you can also use the alternative things like chat GPTs or other AI model. So the condition is it's giving you some of the APIs. So with the help of this API, you can do everything. So you can generate contents like that. You can also generate some of the some of the video or some of the video graphic. But whenever you clicking on the send button, it will be giving you the model is available for the user with a Google Cloud Platform billing enable. Use this model, please ensure the account have active GCP billings. So because when you are trying to be create some of the videos or like that, so the video is because this is a LLM model, and it's running on the some of the NVIDIA graphic cards. So whenever you are hitting some of the that type of response to creating videos or like that, it will be spending spending more of resource. So that is why it's asking you to go with the billing plan. So after the successfully subscribe this billing plan, you can use this videography also. So it will, after that, when you are hitting the send button, it will be he giving you a URL, or that after, and you successfully download this URL and just integrate this, use this video to your Zoho ecosystem. So I think this will be helpful to you. So how you can be integrated with this whole Gemini things or this AI things inside your Zoho ecosystem. If you want to be asked any questions, I will be very happy to answer those questions regarding this Gemini or this AI models. You can do everything. I will be mention every documents or things. So there is a lots of thing if you find out this documentation. If you are I think you just, this is a very simple or easy understandable document. You can just check out this document, and based on this document you can do everything with the help of Deluge and plus your Gemini API. So yeah. If you want to ask any questions, I am very happy to, I'm very glad to, answer those all questions.
Uh, uh, I have one question, Vivek. So when you were showing that you were writing the prompt in Creator and it was fetching the details from the invoice, right?
Yeah.
So what was the what was the field that you were writing prompt in? Was it a single line? Was it a like was it a different field? What field was it? Was it a single line?
Yeah, that is basically a single line. If you want to be use this more, you can use also a rich text. So because that is a basically example. So I just share my screen. So basically, this one is basically demo. So this type of thing you can also do this. But if you don't want to be use this send prompt, you don't want to be, or your client don't want to be, every time just fill this prompt or like that. What you exactly do, you can just here you can write your own prompt inside there, and everything you just mention the AI what exactly you want to do with this document, what exactly you want to be analyzed for this document, what exactly you want to do, and you just replace this variable to with this text, and whatever you are write inside this prompt, based on this prompt it will be giving you the output with the perfect output based on your prompts. If you do the most advanced the complex calculation with these things, or if you have some of the different invoice, some of the time you can capture your client have the different bills. So you want to be based on the particular conditions, you want to fetch the particular invoice due date or like that. So you can also do with this with the help of prompt. You are not you don't want to be write some of the criterias or like that. You just write a prompt, and in the simple prompt, uh, based on your prompt, that AI model will be extract and do the same thing which you are mentioned inside your prompts. So you don't need to be assigning any, don't want to be write any
So
workflow.
yes, Nick, but I just want to understand how is this? Can you explain any real life scenario of this feature, and how is it different from the OCR feature which is already there in Zoho?
In the OCR feature, they have, yeah, really the Zoom creator have a OCR feature. But in the OCR feature, if you are working on the different PDF, suppose I've just mentioned the real life case. So I have a client who are using, who are dealing, you know, some of the electricity bills. So uh, he have a, some of the in Delhi they have a BSES bills or Tata bills and some of the other bills also. In the other bills have a different formats. So suppose a bill is Tata bills. So Tata bills have a different format. BSS bills have some of the different format, and I think the Kolkata have a, some of the different bill, and Bangalore also have a, some of the different bills. So when you are trained this model, so that model, if you are if you are going to be the documentation of the OCR on the inside the Zoho creator. So the documentation have clearly mentioned this. You can train this Zoho creator AI model with the same PDF, not with the different model, different PDF. But my client need is he can deal with the full country, full India. So how can you fulfill those requirements? So those requirements is fulfilled only with the help of this AI model, this public AI models. So what exactly this public AI model do? We are we are giving a prompt. If you finding those analyze this whole the document, if you finding this is the BSES bill, if it is a Bangalore bill, or if it is a this Kolkata bill. So based on this formats, you can first of all find out the due date or find out the bill amount, and those bill amount will be you extract, and just extracted amount you can put inside the my fields. So that is the reason we are using this AI models. So because currently right now, if you are you using the OCR model, that is not that is not good enough to to do these things and fulfill these whole requirements. So that is why, that is the reason.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Vivek. Thank you. God.
And you can also generate it image, you can also generate it some of the code, and every day you can analyze your based on your Zoho creator records. Every if you are send those record, and you want to tell the give me the strategic approach to how can I deal this particular person or particular
I have
record
a
who are
question.
not.
I have a question.
Hmm.
Vivek, when you say we can train the LLM, the Gemini, you mean that we can fine tune them to our own data, right?
Yeah. Currently,
You
right now,
mean
this is a public model, public, because this is a Gemini is a basically a public GPT. So we can't be say that we are trained this Gemini. We just put the some of the data of the particular for the record of data, and those data we are analyze these things and doing some of the things like creating the image or like that, analyzing the extracting the data and asking the some of the questions or like that based on these things. So because this is a large learning model and this is a publicly available, so based on this public model, you can just doing some of the information task or some of the informative task or like that.
so? Can
You
we also use Gemini as a chatbot for our website on the front end, which will be and it will be integrated to Creator, where all our data will be stored, so it fetches data from that Creator and answers to the customers on the front end, which is the website. Is that possible?
uh, that is possible. That is a possible, but you can.
You got my question?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I got it. The question. You want to be a some of RAG type of things inside inside your
Let's say I have a
website.
fashion brand, okay,
Yeah.
and I have a website. So and customers are placing order and they have their data is getting stored in Creator. That is the database. So when a
Mhm.
customer goes on my website and speaks to the chatbot, which is this Gemini, that gives the status of the order. So that Gemini goes in the backend of the Creator, fetches the details such as the order status, and shows to him that his order status is delivered or undelivered, things like that. Is that possible?
Yeah, I think that is a possible. The reason, how exactly you do. So first of all, you must be needed to authentication token or like that. You must be integrated the auth token with your chatbot, and whenever the the customer or client say what is what exactly my order is. So what behind the scene what exactly happened? The AI chatbot triggered the function. the function, the particular function is triggered. So they will be going the behind the auth token will be fetching those data, those order number. With the help of those order number, it will be fetching with the help of auth token. They will be fetch the whole data, and after the fetching the whole data, what exactly the Gemini is do? It will be format those information into the client human way, or the particular uh, you know a
Got it, got
human
it.
format. Yeah,
It will be like a natural language understanding.
yeah,
Not
it will be.
not
Uh,
it won't be a rule based bot. It will be a natural language understanding bot.
yeah.
Thank you so much, Vivek. Thank you, thank you for
Yeah.
answering my question.
So everything is possible with the this Gemini also, or I have so many developers who are working on the Zoho ecosystem, who using the cloudy also, with the integration with the with the CRM, and based on the CRM integrations, it will be performing some of the operations like today leads, or how many leads today, and what the strategic approach we are doing to enhance that more leads, or like that, based on this particular potential leads, what like you giving the scores or like that. So some of the people's also integrated with the cloudy LLMs. So yeah, so you can do lots of things with the help of this AI features. And someone else, if you want to ask any questions, so I, yeah, I definitely. I hope it will be more informative webinar for you guys, and I hope I answered all the questions. So if you want to ask any questions, I will be openly, I'm open, and you know,
I had that one question of a Figma. I mean, if you want to answer that.
like as a developer, I'm not using the Figma platform to using the creator things. But I saw lots of times there is a because we are familiar with the DS files. So I saw documentation, if I'm not wrong, you can also import some of the Figma things inside the Zoho creator, and it will be automatically create some of applications for you.
So
So
it creates the entire application with the workflow and the code, everything, or it is just for the UI? Like instead of create the way you create pages with HTML, CSS, it only creates the page and not the workflows. Just clear that. Just tell me that.
I think I think that's UI part, it will be create, not the backend part, because when you are working on the Figma, so inside the Figma, you can connect those UIs with the some of the second one and third one, or like that. You are not writing any backend things. So I think it's only creating the um, only the UI interface or like that. But if you are using the Zia, and you can prompt inside the Zia, I want to be create some of accounting system or accounting applications inside the Zoho creator. It will be also creating the UI forms or like that, or also creating some of the workflows. So
Yes, GI is works with only simple applications, not
yeah,
with not
not
doesn't
the
work with
enterprise. Yeah.
not
Hmm.
the complicated applications. Yes, it works if you want to build only two forms with few lookups, then it works.
Yeah.
Correct, correct. Okay.
Hi Vivek.
Hi Rishad, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, fine. Vivek, a concept question. Okay, I don't know. It's The way is uh, someone purchasing the item from the Zoho. We are creating the invoice from the Zoho books. Okay, so based on the customer purchase trend, we want to send a follow-up message or something like that. Okay, so basically the system want to read our data and want to find their purchase trend, and it is somewhat a marketing automation. If this is the scenario, is there any possibility to solve this issue with AI?
Definitely, it's a very good question or very good perspective about these things. I mean, that is a possible. The reason, the how we can we do these things. So based on the his history, purchasing history. Suppose we are working on the this particular record. So based on this purchasing history, what we do, we will those the history, we will input those prompt inside the Gemini API, Gemini, and asking the questions. So this is my client, and this is a basically this history of purchasing. So can you give me the proper strategic approach? So how we can be giving a better product, or by any better opportunity or better things to my client, or like that. So definitely it giving you like strategic things or like that inside your inside your Zoho ecosystem, like books or inventory. So yeah, definitely it will be. I think definitely it's a
What I'm expecting, it's need a trigger. One is it's need a trigger. Second, it's need access to our system, right? Our
yeah.
data. The AI
Mhm.
need a system to data, so we want to take the data on the based on the trigger. We want to pull the some customer data to
Mhm.
ChatGPT. ChatGPT want to analyze which is the item is continuously purchasing, and is
Mhm.
there any stack something like that. Then that item need to retarget to the
Uh,
particular client and want to send a WhatsApp
mhm.
message.
Yeah.
So from that there should be another trigger to a
Huh.
WhatsApp message. So it maybe it's integration with the campaign or integration with the
Yeah.
WhatsApp.
So what?
So it's
Yeah.
how technically it's possible. Can you
Yeah.
can you
Yeah.
say
Yeah.
how it will
Definitely.
be the
Definitely.
yeah.
So what exactly we are doing? We are, we can also achieve with this Zoho flow, or we can also achieve with the Zoho application, like Zoho Books, or like that. So what we do exactly, we are, a doing we will start the schedulers, so everyday schedulers. So we are using the Zoho dot fetching the data, a particular record data or particular whole record data or history data with the help of APIs of Zoho inventory or Zoho books. So based on the history of the purchasing of the particular user or particular client, what we do with the help of Zoho book dot books dot fetching the client details or fetching the history of purchases. So I will be giving the input to our Gemini API, and based on particular time frames, like suppose 22 like suppose 1 January to 22 July, it will be purchasing that product. And this product, the suppose product A is a frequently this is purchasing. Based on this frequently purchase, I will be prompt inside the Zoho, the Gemini API, Gemini things, or Chat GPT. So analyzes whole record with the 1st January to the 22 July, and check out the most frequent, most purchasing product, and based on things, give me the strategic WhatsApp in WhatsApp messages or emails or like that. So after the successfully giving by the this information, this output, emails or WhatsApp, and it will be automatically triggered to my client with the daily scheduler, with the help of daily schedulers. So that is also feasible with the help of connections, or with the help of daily schedulers, with the help of Gemini APIs, and with the help of APIs, you can only extract the 200 datas at a particular one times. So yeah, that is also feasible.
Okay. Okay.
And you
Okay.
can also run the some of the campaign because the Zoho, I think I'm not working on the Zoho campaigns API. Also the Zoho social API, because currently right now the Zoho is not officially launched the Zoho social API, because previous time I have also have some of the, we are also touting what if like we are generating a daily post, or the Instagram post, or the some of the
Yeah.
blogs,
But
and automatically just based on the today events, it will be automatically schedule and just push out inside the, push into the Zoho social, or like that it automatically schedule, it will automatically send inside my own social media account like Twitter, campaign, email, Instagram, or like that. But currently right now the Zoho social is not giving the APIs of to do this same things. I hope in the future it will be giving.
yeah, it's
I'm not aware about the Zoho campaign API.
campaign is possible, but it's only with the mail. That's the issue. So campaign is
Yeah,
possible.
that's right. Yeah, there is, I think Zoho campaign also have a APIs. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, it has a API, and we can use the template. We can put the particular template, and we can push the
Mm.
value on that. Okay, okay. Thank you so much. We'll look the feasibility. Okay, definitely.
Yeah, definitely. There is a most of things we can do with this help of this Gemini, or
And,
like that. I think that is that is valuable for you.
yeah, but what is the issue is the you look, if you're talking about this logic, there is an issue. If there are, we can put the only the one data at a time, we can push the one data of the one customer. If the customer is the variable, how much trigger we want to generate, I don't know how much technically feasible. That is the one case, it can be exhausted.
Mm.
There there should be a schema or something, another data set to access to something like that. There may be a problem of engineering problem, what I'm expecting. We
Mm.
cannot do like each customer has, we have to put pushing the data, it will be exhausted. And if we are taking the API, cost will be high.
Mhm.
It's a technically possible, but I don't know practically how much in this scenario. Because
Yeah, we
we
can
can see,
check out.
yeah, there are some technical, the database access should be there. So how much lane, there's some engineering problem, that is the
Mm.
what I feel.
Yeah, I think we can check out these documentations, and if inside the documentations, because Zoho also give the some of the API rate limits or like that. After this exhaust those API limits, you can add on this thing.
Mhm. But what is the difference is, if it is in a rule base, there
Not
is a
like that,
control of
because
data they
that
want
is
to
a good
read.
amount of the API API hits it will be giving. So I think there is no issues. But we can check out this whole the documentations
Okay.
exactly.
But this scenario required in the retail segment. So the data is very heavy.
Hmm, okay. Uh, thank you so much for everybody who is joining this session, and I hope this session is helpful for you. And we are also going in the upcoming in the future. We are also doing the most advanced webinars, which is I think valuable for the founders and the CEO and the developers also, and everyone who is joining this session. I'm very glad, and thank you so much once again. So I will be wind up this session. Um, so thank you once again, everybody. Thank you, Rishad, and thank you, Angel, and Prashish, and other people also. So everybody, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, right.
Thank you. Good night, everyone. Bye. Okay, bye.